after food intake and its digestion, the nutrients are absorbed by the intestines into the blood. Most of the absorbed material must first pass through the liver to be detoxified. Which of the following blood vessels is most responsible for carrying this blood from the intestines to the liver? So this is a lot of information here. We see here that we're discussing the liver and blood being detoxified. And then we see this final question here. Which of the following blood vessels is responsible for carrying this blood from the intestines to the liver? So basically what this question is asking is which vessel sends blood to the liver? Blood to liver. This is what is being asked here. So now we're going to look at the choices and see which of these vessels is responsible for blood to the liver and if there's any that we could look at and eliminate right away. So option A says vena cava. So if you remember, when you have your heart, you have your top and your bottom, your superior and inferior vena cava, which sends blood back to the heart from the top and the bottom of the body, which is different than what this question's asking because we're looking for a blood vessel specifically related to the liver. The vena cava is just related to blood returning to the heart. So we could eliminate option A. Option B says the portal vein. And if we look back at our diagram regarding the portal vein, we could see here that the portal vein is a blood vessel that is part of the liver activity and is responsible for blood being sent to the liver, which is what we're looking for in this question. So option B would be our correct answer here. The aorta in option C has to do with blood being sent throughout the body after it's circulated through the heart. So you have your heart here. Let's say that this is your aorta. Blood that already received its oxygen from the lungs and is ready to go and send nutrients throughout the body would go out the aorta and then go throughout the rest of the general circulation out here. So that's different than what we're looking for related to the liver. So we know that option C isn't correct. So we can eliminate that. And now we have the artery of Adam-Kieritz as option D. And this artery is specifically related to blood within the spinal column. So this isn't what we're looking for since we're looking for related to the liver. So we could eliminate option D. And that leaves us with our choice of option B, the portal vein.